Alright, I do have to say the backyard is getting shaped up beautifully. I have been very busy with this fence, repairs, staining, the whole 9 yards. But what I wanted to show you today was a solution I came up with for this Summer Waves Intex or Play Group, Poly Group, whatever, blow 'em up kiddie pool. Let's take a look on the bottom here. And like many other people, how do you clean the bottom of the pool? With the top, you get one of these guys and just skim the top, no big deal, right? So I came up with a solution to clean the bottom. I've already tested this out and it worked pretty good. And it's actually using this pump here with a do-it-yourself transition flange thing, right? And these pools come with a whole gambit of stuff, and what I had to do is glue this piece right here to a transition piece, with the rubber washer for the side of the pool. So this is going to go and replace this right here. This will also have a better fitting, so it'll go like this. And if I want to clean the bottom of the pool, check this out. All you do is this goes right in here like this. It cinches on there a lot better. And then make sure there's no air in this tube. So this tube will be on the inside, attached to that flange. And just use the pump suction to clean that sediment, bug guts and hair and flying debris and stuff. Oh, there's a spot right there. See right down there? Hopefully I don't drop my phone in the water. So let's get to it and I'll show you if I can get this hooked up here. Alright, check this out. I got the transition flange on the side of the pool here with no leaks. See here? No problemo. Guten tight. Right? No leaks. I got the hose. God, I'm going to try to do this without dropping my phone in the pool here. Got the hose attached right there. You see it? But the problem I'm having is that this hose wants to float. So this is what I did. Check this out. I had some of these super strut pieces I had for my solar build. I just tie strapped them on there. A couple of them. Another one right down there. See it? And let it set down there. So the whole goal is when the pump's running, just to suck up all this stuff right down here. That's the goal. But I got to keep a prime on the motor. No air leaks in there. So you got to keep the hose submerged, or just take it out when you're not using it. All right, I got the pump on, the hose attached, and I just got inside the pool and used the hose to clean the bottom of the pool. And I do have to say, this thing has got some great vacuum suction to get all the debris out of the bottom of the pool where there's like little creases and stuff. Working really good. See how it you just detach it right there and just pull this hose right off. But you got to make sure you have a good seal or no air leaks. Get all the air out of the hose, or you won't get good suction. And it's sucking right now. The only problem is that it's just not quite long enough to reach over there and over here. It's about about 18 inches too short. I got this hose at Home Depot. It's like 1 1/8" flexi type stuff. Super strut pieces. I don't know how much they are, a couple bucks maybe. But just to hold the hose down so it doesn't float up and lose pressure and burn out your motor. But yeah, winner chicken dinner. The old redneck MacGyver DIY solution here to keep the bottom of the pool clean. And as for the top, all you need is just this little skimmer. You know, it takes 5 minutes to freaking skim crap off the top there and keep your pool good. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you this little contraption I came up with. Pretty happy about that. All right, just thought I'd show you this. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.